TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 27. You get the NASDAQ up 13. S&Ps are up 3. Gold contracts up $1.40, trading at $1,268 an ounce. We have silver down 2 cents at $17.60 an ounce. Platinum is up $2 at $9.65 an ounce. Copper is up a penny, $2.15 a pound. The light sweet crude up 19 cents, $49.37 a barrel. Notes and bonds, folks, are getting toasted and roasted. Okay, so notes are down 16 ticks, 129.14. Bonds are down a full point, 19 ticks, 162.11. Now this is going to be a wild one. So they're going into their October swing lows, taking them out. Bottom line, what I expect you're going to see here, those notes and bonds are basically saying that this market wants to go topside. Now, that would be the bullish side for the market, and this is on a short-term basis. The bearish side is that the market's going to give it up in a big way because of the fact that interest rates are going up, bonds are going down. That being said, I expect what you're going to see after this market, after this close out here, and as we move up to the close tonight, is that you're going to see higher prices because Amazon and Google still look like they want to top out. They want to gap higher. That's going to put the NASDAQ higher. All of the above. King Dollar. King Dollar's not giving the market any breathing room right now. King Dollar's up 74 ticks at 98.68. That being said, guess what? King Dollar's in an ABC structure on the way up with 100.770 as the price target. I expect what you're going to see in good old King Dollar is that King Dollar wants to pull back first to 98.120. And right now we're at 98.680. The euro is trading at $1.09, and the yen is at 104.92. We go over and we take a look at the S&P. This is what you have inside the SPY. SPY out here right now is at 214 flat. Yesterday you come down. You were going into your downdraft that had been created on the 21st of October as well as the 13th. You came down dramatically lighter volume. This thing is building cause, number one, to get to 215.32. What I expect you're going to see, more than likely tomorrow morning, we're going to be at 214.32, and I suspect that's where the SPY is going to give it up. The the Dow Industrial, same type of setup in the Dow. The Dow rejected lower price yesterday, had lighter volume. The Dow's at 18,218. I expect you're going to see that up to 18,312. Now, that's not a big leap from where we are. NDX 100 and the composite is where the action's going to be today as well as after the close. Well, right now, the NDX 100 is up $14.50. The high out here is 49.11. What I expect you're going to see when Amazon and Google come out with their numbers this afternoon is that they are going to gap higher. They come out at 401. Both Amazon and Google are in ABC structures on the way up. We'll see whether they perform. The composite, same setup in the composite. What the composite has, composite right now came down yesterday with lighter volume. You're at 5,260. I expect that's going to gap over the 5,320 area. Now, notes and bonds, these babies here, and this is in harmony with the marketplace also. It's deviant, but it's in harmony. The notes are down 15 ticks. You're breaking the swing low that was generated out here on the 12th of October. We've done 818,000 contracts. We're at 129.14. Looks like it's going to break it on volume. The 30-year has been the one that has been having a tough time staying inside the range. Now it's way outside the range. That alone, folks, is saying that the market wants to get to higher price. And as I said a little bit earlier, that's where this is going to get a little tricky here. The rate's going up too fast and the market doesn't like it. We'll see. King Dollar. King Dollar is going to be the ruler out here as it has been the last couple of weeks. King Dollar right now is at 98.695. That rejected that price out here yesterday, and this is light volume, so I expect King Dollar is going to pull back to the 98.120 mark before getting up to that 100 level. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.